August was a good month for tech. The industry saw a resurgence that had everyone talking. The Nasdaq, our favorite index of tech titans, saw a nice jump. This wasn't just a small blip, it was a significant rise that caught the attention of investors everywhere. Why? Investors were feeling optimistic. The mood was buoyant, and there was a palpable sense of excitement in the air. Inflation seemed to be cooling down. This was a key factor, as lower inflation often leads to more favorable economic conditions. The Federal Reserve hinted that interest rate hikes might be on pause. This was music to the ears of investors who had been wary of rising rates. This got everyone excited about growth stocks again, especially in the tech sector. The potential for expansion and innovation was back on the table. But hold on, one company stood out from the crowd, and it wasn't your usual suspect like Apple or Microsoft. It was a name that had been flying under the radar for some time. This time, it was Palantir Technologies. Known for its data analytics and software solutions, Palantir made a big splash. They blew past everyone with a whopping 17.1% stock surge. This kind of performance is rare and noteworthy. That's huge, even for a volatile market like this. Such a surge indicates strong investor confidence and a promising outlook. So, what's the story? Why was Palantir the darling of Wall Street in August? What drove this incredible performance? Let's dive in and find out. We'll explore the factors that contributed to Palantir's success and what it means for the future of tech stocks. Palantir, for those who don't know, is a data analytics powerhouse. They're like the Sherlock Holmes of the digital age, sniffing out patterns and insights that others miss. Their software helps governments and businesses make smarter decisions. But Palantir has always been a bit of an enigma. They operate in the shadows, working on top-secret projects for intelligence agencies and defense departments. This secrecy, while intriguing, also made some investors nervous. August changed everything. Palantir's stock performance wasn't just good, it was stellar. A 17.1% jump in a month is nothing to sneeze at. This wasn't just luck, it was driven by some serious factors that got Wall Street buzzing. One word: earnings. Palantir absolutely crushed it in their second quarter earnings report. They blew past analysts' expectations on both revenue and profit. This was a major signal to investors that Palantir wasn't just hype, they were delivering real, tangible results. Think about it. In this economy, with so much uncertainty, companies that can consistently beat earnings estimates are like gold. Palantir showed they can navigate choppy waters and come out on top. This wasn't just a one-time fluke. Palantir has been consistently profitable for several quarters now. That's a big deal for a company that was once known for its losses. It shows they've figured out how to turn their cutting-edge technology into cold, hard cash. What's driving this success? Two words: artificial intelligence. Palantir is at the forefront of the AI revolution. Their platforms are being used to analyze massive datasets, identify trends, and make predictions with incredible accuracy. Think about the possibilities. In healthcare, Palantir's AI can help identify disease outbreaks early on. In finance, it can detect fraud and manage risk. In defense, it can provide real-time intelligence to keep our troops safe. The applications are endless. But here's the kicker. Palantir isn't just building AI, they're making it accessible. Their platforms are designed to be used by everyday analysts and decision makers, not just PhDs in computer science. This is a game changer. Section 5. Commercial customers fueling growth. For a long time, Palantir was heavily reliant on government contracts, but that's changing. They've been aggressively expanding into the commercial sector, and it's paying off big time. Companies in industries like energy, manufacturing, and transportation are realizing the power of Palantir's technology. They're using it to optimize operations, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. This shift towards commercial customers is a brilliant move. It diversifies Palantir's revenue streams and reduces their dependence on government spending. It also opens up a massive new market with huge growth potential. Section 6. American Success Story. Here's something else that's got investors excited. Palantir is winning big in the US market. Their revenue growth in the US has been particularly strong, outpacing their global growth rate. This is great news for American innovation and American jobs. Palantir is a homegrown success story, and their continued growth is a testament to the ingenuity and entrepreneurial spirit of American workers. But it's not just patriotism driving this growth. American companies are recognizing the value of Palantir's technology. They're choosing Palantir over foreign competitors, and that says a lot about the quality and competitiveness of American AI. Section 7. Generative AI threat or opportunity. Now let's address the elephant in the room: generative AI. This is the latest buzzword in the tech world, with companies like OpenAI and Google making headlines with their mind-blowing language models. Some investors are worried that generative AI could disrupt Palantir's business. After all, if anyone can generate insights from data with a few keystrokes, what's to stop them from bypassing Palantir altogether? It's a valid concern, but I'm not convinced it's a major threat. Here's why. Generative AI is still in its early stages. It's great at generating text and code, but it's not yet capable of the complex, nuanced analysis that Palantir's platforms provide. Section 8. Palantir's secret weapon. Palantir has a secret weapon: their people. They've assembled a team of brilliant engineers, data scientists, and domain experts who understand the intricacies of AI and how to apply it to real-world problems. This human element is crucial. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on and the people who interpret its results. Palantir's team provides the context, the judgment, and the experience that pure AI simply can't replicate. As Chief Revenue Officer Ryan Taylor puts it, the real magic happens when you combine cutting-edge technology with deep domain expertise. That's what sets Palantir apart. They don't just provide software, they provide solutions. Section 9. The price of success. Now let's talk valuation. Palantir's stock isn't cheap. It's important to understand why this is the case. In fact, it's trading at a premium compared to many of its peers. This premium pricing is a reflection of the market's confidence in Palantir's unique capabilities and future potential. This high valuation reflects the market's optimism about Palantir's future, and the belief that the company will continue to innovate and lead in its sector. But it also creates high expectations. Investors are betting on Palantir to not just meet, but exceed these expectations consistently. Palantir needs to keep delivering. The pressure is on to maintain their impressive growth rate, which has been a key driver of their stock price. They need to maintain their impressive growth rate, expand their customer base, and continue to innovate. Any missteps, any delays in product development, or failure to secure new contracts, any signs of slowing down, could be detrimental. The market is quick to react to any negative news, could send their stock price tumbling. This volatility is a double-edged sword. It can lead to rapid gains but also significant losses. This is the price of success in the tech world. High rewards come with high risks. When you're on top, everyone's gunning for you. Competitors are always looking for ways to outdo you. Palantir knows this, and they're not resting on their laurels. They are constantly pushing the envelope to stay ahead. They're continuing to invest heavily in R&D, ensuring that they remain at the cutting edge of technology and expand into new markets. This strategy is crucial for sustaining their growth and meeting the high expectations set by the market. Section 10, the balancing act. So, what's the verdict? Is Palantir a buy? It's a tough call. Investors are often faced with difficult decisions, and this is no exception. On the one hand, they have a lot going for them. Their innovative approach and cutting-edge technology set them apart in a crowded market. They're a leader in the booming AI market, they're consistently profitable, and their solutions are in high demand across various sectors. They have a strong track record of growth, which is a testament to their strategic vision and execution. On the other hand, their high valuation and dependence on a few key customers create some risk. This concentration could be a double-edged sword. Any hiccups in the economy or changes in government spending could hurt their bottom line. It's a balancing act. The economic landscape is ever-changing, and companies must adapt swiftly. Investors need to weigh the potential rewards against the risks. It's crucial to consider both the short-term and long-term implications of their investment. If Palantir can continue on its current trajectory, the rewards could be huge. Their potential for innovation and market disruption is significant. But there's no guarantee of success in the fast-paced world of tech. The industry is highly competitive, and staying ahead requires constant innovation and agility. Section 11. The future is bright. One thing's for sure, Palantir is a company to watch. They're at the forefront of one of the most transformative technologies of our time. and they're shaping the future in ways we can only begin to imagine. Their August stock surge was no fluke, it was a sign of things to come. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, Palantir is well positioned to capitalize on this massive opportunity. So, buckle up, because this is just the beginning. Palantir's journey is far from over, and it's going to be one heck of a ride.